my name is Larissa Green and I'm the Chief Product Officer for Spark Schools. On this video, I'm going to show you real quickly the difference between subjects, courses, and classrooms. This is a question I get asked a lot about, so I just want to go through and make that more clear for you. So we're here in the Spark program, and as you can see on the left navigation, we have courses, subjects, and classrooms or pods. So let me tell you real briefly the difference between these three things. Classrooms or pods are basically ways to organize groups of students and staff, usually people who get together each day to do a class together or work on a project or a course together. And in a traditional school, this would be something like a kindergarten class, a first grade class, or perhaps when you get into high school, it would be your English class, your math class. But on Spark, you can use this in any way you need. You can organize your students in whatever way makes logical sense for your school. That could be following the model of traditional public schools, or it could be splitting students up into different homerooms where they have a teacher that's in charge of the attendance for those specific students, but it's a mixed age range of students, or it could be for a specific special class like karate, or maybe for your after-school program, or it could be a broader range of students like your entire elementary age students, or junior high or high school age students would be in one classroom. It just really depends on what you need it for in your school. Now, if you're a homeschool or a very small micro school of maybe fewer than 10 students, you might not even need to use this feature at all. Use it if it makes sense for you. Now, if you're a larger school and you have more than one staff member in your Spark platform, you will want to create a classroom, at least one classroom for those staff members. And then you can limit their access within Spark to just their classroom. Then they can get into their classroom and do all of the learning management things that they need to do to keep it running smoothly. They can create assignments for their kids, they can keep the grade book, keep attendance, create rewards, whatever they need to do to keep their classroom running smoothly, but without needing access to all of the features in your Spark school. Subjects is a way to basically categorize your assignments or your courses. And these can be very broad and general things such as literature, PE, science, writing. And then anytime you create an assignment or a course for your students, you can give it one of those subjects. You can say, this is an assignment in literature. That's the subject of this assignment. And that could be any type of literature, elementary literature, high school literature, whatever you need it to be. But then once you're in the assignment calendar, you can sort all of your assignments by subject, making them easier to view and understand. And then also within your gradebook, you can designate what this gradebook is for, which subject it's actually for if you want to. Also, in creating a course, you can say what subject this course covers. But now let me talk a little bit about courses. A course is a way to create a plan of assignments for your students that can be used as many times as needed. So I would start by creating a new course, and when I first create a course, I lay out the plan for that course, and that includes any of the assignments, homework assignments, quizzes, tests, lessons, projects, labs, whatever the students need to be doing in order to complete this course of study. I lay these all out into a plan, and I can make this as flexible however I want it to be. And then once my plan is finished, I schedule that course for either a classroom of students or one specific student or several students, however I need to do that. I determine when the course will be started. I can move the assignments around as needed. I can create a grade book for this course. But that's what a course is. It's a plan of assignments. Once I schedule this course, all of those assignments will be laid out on the assignment calendar for me automatically, and I can do that as many times as I need. I can reuse a course plan over and over again so that I don't have to be recreating assignments over and over. So that's a breakdown of the difference between courses, subjects, and classrooms. We do have tutorial videos going into more detail about classrooms and how to use those, and also how to create courses and then schedule your courses. So take a look at our video channel on YouTube to learn more about those things. Thanks.